Hello guys, how is going? I'm in Roppongi area today and I'm gonna take you to a special event. It's gonna be fun. Let's go. Hello. I'm gonna just please, thank you very much. Okay. Thank you. Alright. Let's go. It's gonna be fun tonight. Look. Thank you. It's so cool here. Oh, what's that? We are in Tantra Tokyo. 何? What? すごい Hello. Wow. Awesome. こんばんは。Oh, hello. So cute. Wow. This is awesome. This is the best costume I've ever seen. Hello. Hello. Thank you. Hello. こんばんは。Oh, すごい。It's really cool. Awesome. Wow. Alright. どこに? Oh, hello. Well, here, okay. Let me. I'm gonna get everyone in.
Just make you drink it fast, you know? It's gonna have the opposite effects. Okay. 1 hour.
Vodka.
He's chilling. Exactly. Wait. Oh. Hi.
Ninja. You're a ninja now. Ninja Miley.
Actually, I'm not sure where I am.
You're not sure where you are? You are in
Where is this place?
Tantra Tokyo.
Huh?
Tantra.
Tantra?
Yes. Alright. Let's cheers.
Yay!
How is it? You like it? What was the name of the drink?
Old fashioned.
Old fashioned.
Old fashioned.
Just old fashioned.
Yeah. I'm not sure the details, but it's
Alright.
good. Whiskey.
Yeah. And this is martini.
Martini.
Yes.
Good. Very strong.
Yeah.
Shy, so I'm a little nervous now.
So you need some drink.
Yeah. I can't communicate with others.
Yeah.
So all new for me.
Oh, okay.
I'm a little shy. 緊張する。
緊張する？大丈夫、大丈夫。Okay.
I need a gasoline.
Yeah, you need more. Thank you.
You're the fighter.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Not the monster. Yeah, kind of monster, it's true.
Agree.
Yeah.
It's true, right?
Yeah, it's true, it's true.
You should marry with Japanese women. Japanese women protect your family, okay? Japanese women are the best. Yeah, positive. True, it's true.
It's true, okay.
I can tell that's true.
This time it's true. This is not comedy.
From Japanese perspective, that's true.
Japanese women is the best.
Ruby a monster.
Yeah, say Pokemon.
He's a famous comedian. He speaks English.
She's a famous one.
So, yeah.
Famous ninja. Most famous ninja in Japan. Kunoichi. Can you do some ninjutsu?
She's teaching ninja pose now. Ninja pose. Cool.
She's American ninja.
American ninja. So cool, so cute. Beautiful. Flower field, okay, enjoy your flower field. Ninja Explorer. Cool.
Hey, how was the show? You liked it?
Yeah, it was awesome.
That was pretty awesome, wasn't it?
Awesome, yeah.
I was like, well, hey, Say what you want about these girls, they're very athletic.
Yeah.
And to do that as a job, day in, day out, that's respect. That's respect right there.
Yeah, really good at it.
100%, 100%. Hey, if I was up there for 2 seconds, I'd be all dizzy, I'd be lying on the floor.
It needs a lot of physical strength.
Yes, yes. Lots of physical strength. Core strength.
Yeah, exactly. Oh, my drink.
Sweet stuff.
What is that actually?
Sweet stuff.
Sweet stuff.
You like sweet?
Yes. Thank you.
Something sweet.
Come Cheers. And what did you get?
The same one, old fashioned. It was really tasty.
Was good?
Yeah. I don't know what it is, but it's tasty.
It's something you want to do.
Let's go to someone else.